Have you ever heard about the mysterious Bermuda Triangle? No. Let's see what is this. It is a loosely defined region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean. The vertices being Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. Well, many ships and aircrafts have been disappeared in this region. Let's see which. Well, the USS Cyclops, even this. It was a carrier ship. But even then, see, it is actually a mystery. How do these ships disappear? Not only ships, but aircrafts too. Now, aircrafts flying over this region. Well, that's really a big mystery. Flights disappeared even without a trace. So this Bermuda Triangle is a loosely defined region in the North Atlantic Ocean between these three places. Now this Bermuda Triangle is actually very mysterious and dangerous because a number of aircrafts and a number of ships have disappeared in these places in mysterious circumstances. So you know that how dangerous is this Bermuda Triangle? Now because of this, the neighboring countries once decided to fence this triangle so that they could block the ways of the ships and aircrafts so that they could not enter this zone. So to fence a triangle, what do you need? You need the perimeter of the triangle. So first, in order to fence this Bermuda Triangle, let's see how perimeter of a triangle is taken out in coordinate geometry. Let's take any 3 points or a triangle with these three vertices, A, which is -2 and 1, B, which is 1, 1, and C, which is 1, 5. So we make a triangle with these three vertices. Now you are familiar with the distance formula, which we have learned in the previous lectures. So in order to find out the perimeter of a triangle, what do? You take out the distance between the vertices of the triangle. And to take out the distance between the vertices, what do you need? You need the distance formula. That is this. So let's take out the distance between AB, BC and CA so that we can take out the perimeter of the triangle. So we have to take out the perimeter of this triangle, ABC. First, let's take out AB. So what will be AB? Root over x2 minus x1 whole square. So it is 1 minus -2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So it will give me 1 minus 1 whole square. Now let us solve this. Root over. Now 1 minus of -2 will give me 1 plus 2, which is 3 whole square, plus 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 whole square will give me 0, which will give me root over 3 square is 9. Now root over 9 is 3, so 3 units. So we successfully found out AB. So AB is 3 units. Now what about BC? We have to find out the distance from B to C. So we find BC. Root over x2 minus x1. So 1 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So 5 minus 1 whole square. This will give us what? Root over 1 minus 1 will give us 0 and 0 square is 0. And 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 square will give me 16, which will give me root over 16. Now root over 16 is 4 units. So we successfully found out AB as well as BC. So now we are having two sides. AB we have, BC we have. Now in order to complete the perimeter of the triangle, we need AC. So let's find out AC, or you may call it as CA. Root over x2 minus x1. So 1 minus minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1. So 5 minus 1 whole square. This will give us what? 1 minus minus 2 is 1 plus 2, that is 3. 3 whole square plus 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 whole square. Now this will give us root over 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is 16. Now 9 plus 16 is 25. So what is root over 25? It is 5 units. So we have successfully found out AB, BC and CA, that is 3 sides of the triangle. Now in order to find the perimeter, we will add the 3 sides, that is 3 units plus 4 units plus 5 units. So AB, that is 3 units, plus BC, that is 4 units, plus CA, that is 5 units. How much will it give us? 3 plus 4, 7, and 7 plus 5, 12 units. So now you successfully know how to find out the perimeter of a triangle. Just find out the distance between the coordinates and add them up to find the perimeter. Now it is easy to find out the perimeter of this Bermuda triangle. Now for your convenience, we have given you these coordinates: A, that is 4 and 3, B, which is 8, 0, and C, which is 8, 6. Now can you find the perimeter of this triangle? Now find out the distance between the coordinates A and B. Find AB yourself. Well, to find out AB, we will do root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So what will we get? Root over 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 square plus 0 minus 3 is minus 3. So we get minus 3 whole square. Then what will we get? Root over 4 square is 4 into 4, 16, plus minus 3 whole square is minus 3 into minus 3, which will give us plus 9. Now this will give us root over 16 plus 9 is 25. So we get 5 units. Now we need to find BC, that is distance between B and C. So we will find it out by root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This will give us 8 minus 8, that is 0. 0 square is 0. Plus 6 minus 0 is 6. 6 square is 36. This will give me root over 36, which is 6 units. So we got BC as 6 units. Now we have to find out AC, that is distance between A and C. So with the same distance formula, you can find out AC. Find it out. So AC is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What will we get? Root over 8 minus 4 is 4, 4 square, plus 6 minus 3 is 3, 3 square. This will give us 4 square is 4 into 4, 16, plus 3 square is 9. That is root over 25, which will give us 5 units. So we have found out AC as well. So in order to find the perimeter of a triangle, we add the 3 sides. That is the distance between 3 sides. So AB plus BC plus CA or AC will give you what? 5 plus 6 plus 5 units. That is 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 5, 16